What is up, guys? Back with another video, and today we're playing virtual slime. Okay, let's see how. Okay, let's try to get the satisfying noises ever. Okay, let's play. Oh, that's really satisfying. Oh my.
Alright guys, so the first skin is the grandmother skin. Oh, it's so good and it's so cheap.
Oh guys.
Buy that right now and equip it. Oh my god.
That was so. Oh, this is so satisfying. Okay, but.
Wait, where is it?
Okay, let's create slime.
This might be my favorite skin.
Next. Actually, let's do metallic, guys. Metallic glue. Boom. Which one? Let's do red. Boom.
Okay, right. We already knew that this was new skin because the creator already tweeted about this, but
Should we do?
and it's an evil
Actually,
version of Sissy. Look at her eyes. Wow. Alright, anyways, I believe there's a new trap as well, an Easter trap, so
metallic butterboard.
the Easter trap.
Blue. There's orange.
I have no clue what this trap actually does. So we can
Oh, God, it looks so cool.
token, so let's go ahead and buy a 500.
No.
There we go. And now guys, let's buy
Next.
some traps. Nice. Okay, we bought everything in the shop, and now guys, we are ready to begin chapter 9. Alright guys, here we go. We're in the city. Our safe place. Wait, aren't we there yet? They'll be pretty surprised that we found someone. Oh my god, wait, so we aren't in the actual safe place yet.
This must have been a long time ago. So this time about chapter 9.
So we have to find a way to get in.
Okay, no noises there.
Actually, still up
Okay,
there.
but let's do play slime.
So where are we?
Do slimes.
Okay, so this is
Oh, let's do play.
Ah,
Whoa, guys.
New Fantamation merch is here. There are so many cool outfits. You can even buy the suit I wear in my videos. Guys, be sure to join the group in the description. Guys, the new Piggy Trainer mode is here.
No,
Scary, and guys, in this video, somebody was dressed up as me.
I don't know.
I also got the 2 new skins for the game, the Devil skin and the Giraffe skin. Guys, be sure
Oh, God, it looks so cool.
to get started.
Looks like the sun. Let's actually make
Videos hit a billion
glowing one. Okay, slime.
before we try the new
Next.
mode. There are actually 2 new skins in the game.
Metallic. Actually, no, I don't want metallic. Glow. Does better actually do red and copper. No. Okay, oh, that looks turquoise. Okay, that's the end. Actually, how many? Okay, we only have 20. Okay, so glow. Okay. Let's do red. Actually, no. Let's do yellow. Let's actually do yellow. Ah, perfect. Ooh, that's so cool. Let's do none. Sun. Save and play. Whoa, guys, look at this sun thingy. Okay, let's see if there's any gifts. Cancel gifts. New. Actually, no. Turn on this battery. Slow. Just we're good together.
Mama.
Just get that. Let's record a video with the glow slime. No. 2 videos in 1 video.
Hey, bring me the water bottle in your refrigerator. Please, thank you.
Okay, let's do sun. Oh yeah. Ooh. Post. Watch video. Okay, guys. Okay, go for it. Let's go. Let's go. What happened? Okay, whatever. Okay, let's play. Let's call for. This will be the end of the video. Hope you liked it and goodbye, guys.